Are you looking for the Hoover WindTunnel Max Bagged Upright Vacuum Cleaner? We've reviewed nicely, so let's start the discussion. Features: 12-amp WindTunnel motor. The greatest selling point of this Hoover WindTunnel Bagged Upright must definitely be its 12-amp WindTunnel motor. Once switched on, the motor can generate a remarkable amount of suction. As a matter of fact, the majority of customers are more pleased with the vacuum's suction output than any other feature. The way it attains such performance is through the integrated WindTunnel Max technology. According to Hoover, the motor has 3 additional suction channels that provide greater suction efficiency. Granted, the description is quite vague, but the end result is apparent: the tech works. Height-adjusting motorized brush roll. There is a height adjustment lever for you to manually adjust the height of the floor head. Floor head height is incredibly important if you're going to vacuum carpets and rugs. On the other hand, if the floor head is way too low, the vacuum suction will stick the floor head firmly against the carpet. A telltale symptom for this is your vacuum suddenly becoming difficult to move around or feeling heavy. Many customers have written about their exhibiting this exact behavior, so I have reasons to believe their issue arose from an improperly adjusted floor head. Power cord reel. Most vacuums offer a 20-foot-long power cord, which is ample length for most households. This Hoover Red vacuum goes further and offers a 30-feet-long power cord. The long cord will ensure that even if you have a large house or space to clean, you're never too far from an electric outlet. Filtering system. 2 separate filtering processes: a vacuum side filtering system and a dust bag side system. Vacuum side filtration. The vacuum side filtering system consists of filters that are installed directly into the vacuum itself. There are 2 filters inside the vacuum, a pre-motor filter and a post-motor exhaust filter. The former helps protect the motor from being infiltrated by dirt and dust, while the former cleanses the final exhaust of the vacuum. Both can do a great job of filtering out dirty particles in the airflow and protecting the vacuum from dust ingestion. Dust bag side filtration. Like we mentioned before, all Hoover WindTunnel Max bags come with a built-in HEPA filter. This HEPA filter handles the bulk of the filtering process by capturing all of the dirt particles passing through, down to even the tiniest ones. Pros: powerful, versatile cleaning performance. Does well on carpeting. Air-powered hand tools work well. Wide cleaning path. Comes with an assortment of accessories. Excellent filtration system. Cons: attachments sometimes fall off vacuum. HEPA bags are a bit pricey.